Greetings to you all, and we are so glad to have you guys back on this channel just like always. And on today's video, we are live at the Chukwuemeka Odumegwu Ojukwu University Igbariam campus. Don't forget that we have another campus of this university at the Ule town, but at that particular site they have mostly science faculties located over there. So right here on the Igbariam campus, this is the major campus of the university community, and we have faculties like the social sciences, we have faculties like the law faculty, we also have the management faculties, among many other faculties. So guys, on today's video we are going to take you around this facility, talking about the university community. We are going to explore this university together, and also we are going to take you towards the bank areas and towards the girls hostel and boys hostels and other facilities that are within this university campus. So come with us as we go around the Chukwuemeka Odumegwu Ojukwu University Igbariam campus. Don't forget to let us know what you think about this university. Don't forget to also drop your ideas, your commentations, your views, your thoughts, whatever it is you would want to share with us about this university. Please do well to do that on the comment section. Also, if this university is your alma mater, or if you know better places than we do, also do well to share with us on the comment section so that we all will be on the same page together. Just in case you are new to this channel, this is BlessingGodwinTV. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, comment, share, and don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. See you at the end of this video, even as we progress. Enjoy.
Everybody crushing you, but I'm wanting to marry you. I know carry another, you know say I be complete, man, yeah. Man, you're matter, it's for my mind, inside, yeah. Man, me water, baby, give me something nice, yeah. Carry a matter, girl, I love your body, yeah. So nice and her skin so clean. She call it my love like a sweet sister. Over and over she can do my thing, yeah. She's so in love with me. It's a blessing that I found my queen, and she doesn't care if I'm poor or rich. I give for my love that we gently. Oh no no no, can I promise I will be there for you? Oh no no no, if you ever leave I go hunting for you. First thing in the morning, for me, baby, never treat you funny. Carry another, you know say I be complete. I'm your mother, it's for my mind inside. I'm your water, baby, give me something nice. Carry a matter, girl, I love your body. I get the money pass your papa. Wait till you want way I know feel do for you. Why you want the book and more? Share you be kids and Danny. You better drop your body and more. Come, so feel with this body. Make you run, I'm on a Let's go.